Welcome back to the channel. How you doing? Alright guys, welcome back. And a lot of you guys have been wondering why I haven't been driving my Z06, and there is a reason. So, before I put these headlights in, someone hit me. I don't know how it happened. It happened in a parking lot or something like that. And once I put the headlights in, I never actually reassembled the whole car. As you can see, the front bumper's just on here loosely because I've been wanting to get this front bumper repainted, and also I was gonna get the Hellcat repainted at the same time because they're both black. But then, as we know, the Hellcat broke down on me, and now I can't even drive my Z06 because the freaking front bumper's not even on. So let me show you guys. Some of y'all out there are gonna be like, oh, that's not even a big deal, but it's really not a big deal. That's why I never fixed it. But once I pulled the front bumper off to put the headlights on, I never want to put the front bumper back on again, because then I have to pull it right back off to get painted. So I'm gonna show you guys what the issue is. So as you can see, the bumper got like pushed in or something and it cracked all the paint. Like, it's not that bad, you can't really see it, but it honestly is really, really annoying to me. So honestly, it's not the end of the world, but I am finally getting it dropped off to get painted. I hit up my boy, and I'm dropping off tomorrow morning, which is exciting. And also, while I'm at it, I'm gonna drop off this right here, this fender piece on both sides, and also the rear ones, because those are still in primer and they're not painted. So I'm gonna have those painted while I'm at it because they're both black. And so I'm gonna pull those off real quick. Alright boys, I'm leaving the paint shop right now. I just dropped off my bumper and then the fender pieces, so we're leaving here right now. And I also got the jet ski hooked up, so we're about to take the jet ski out. As you can see, look, it's right there on that bumper rack. I still can't believe someone hit my Vette, and I don't know who did it. I think it happened in a parking lot or something like that, which sucks, but it is what it is. But I got the jet ski hooked up right now, and we're gonna go out today, so that should be fun. And I'll probably grab some clips there, grab the GoPro, and who knows what will happen. So it should be pretty fun. So I don't got any numbers on the ski, so I bought some numbers right here. I don't get pulled over today. This is how you do it. Put this like right here. Yeah, I'm going to.
Before you put the phone in.
Okay.
Big stop sign says pay here.
Okay. I'm stressed out right now because you guys have rushed me.
We've been rushing you since 9 in the morning.
I know, honestly, you guys weren't really rushing me. Like, it was more my fault. What I did, I just did blue here and then I wrote it.
No.
You don't think so?
No.
Got a little bent tip. Let's see if it works though. Oh, it works, bro. Fuck that, I'm gonna do that. That'd be way better. It looks like shit, dude. They're gonna pull me over and be like, dude, what the hell is that? I'm going to jail. Alright, here we go. New plan. I got the worst handwriting on earth, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Go pay before old fart.
Yeah, dude. Why is that guy tapping me like that?
He's taxing you to take racks.
If it's $10,
$20.
If it's $10, you better come back with change. You're like, no, it was the full 20, bro. Oh. We should give them the camera. Alright, so I'm at the gas station. It's the next day. It's been about 4 or 5 days since I dropped off my front bumper and those end pieces for the Hellcat, and they're actually done. My boy's meeting me up at 8 o'clock, hooking it up, my boy Nick, and apparently they came out pretty good, so I'm pumped. Get this thing slapped on the car, so I think he's pulling up right now. We're gonna check these things out. I'm looking forward to it. Alright boys, so I'm getting gas and got the bumper loaded up. Got the pieces in here. Look, they look freaking great for the Hellcat, even though the doesn't run. But when it does run, it's gonna be looking good. So, all loaded up, about to head to the house and throw this bumper on. So, I'll see you there. Yo, so we made it back to the shop, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm really excited right now. Like, I haven't driven my Corvette in a long time. I don't know why. Honestly, I'm just an idiot. Like that, this has been holding me back, this whole paint issue, but about to unwrap this thing, so it's unwrapped. Like, let's unwrap it. I haven't even seen it yet. Obviously, I mean, it's just paint. It's nothing special, but I am excited. I'm more excited at the fact that I'm actually gonna be driving this thing. tonight we're going for a rip. Da 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 da. Ah. What's that? I need to like attach that clip, that sound effect. It's like, oh, oh hell yeah! This thing looks freaking mint. I cannot wait to slap this thing on. The real question is, how am I gonna do this alone? All right, so I got the bolts right here. There's a freaking lot of them. I hope I remember how I took these all off. It's been a minute. It's been about a month or two, but at least they're all here. And let's slap this thing on. Alright guys, so it's 12 o'clock. I'm freaking tired. This shouldn't have taken as long as it did, but being just me here, putting it on, it's so heavy. It's not really heavy, but it's really flexible. So when I went to like put it on, one side would be sagging, and also I was really meticulous because I wanted all the gaps to be really good. The gaps look pretty good on it because obviously I had to loosen the fenders, all types of stuff. I didn't want the body gaps to be all weird, but I think it looks freaking sick. Look at those freaking LEDs. They're just so sick. So much sicker than factory. But that's going to be it for tonight. And I'm going to catch y'all in the morning because I need to catch some sleep. So I'll see y'all in the morning and we're going to take this thing for a little rip. Good morning, everybody. Finally time to go rip this thing. So here's a cold start. Oh! He's loud. So I'm in the vet, about to go pick up Matthews. I just got off the phone with him and I called him and told him that I'm trying to film like some donuts or something, which I think I might film, but what I'm actually gonna do, it was his birthday yesterday. He just turned 21, by the way. Say happy birthday to him. He's been wanting to drive my Z06 since I bought it, and honestly I should have let him drive it, but I haven't. And we're about to go pick him up and I'm gonna surprise him. Like I'm gonna throw him the key and tell him that it's finally the day that he gets to whip the Z. I'm looking forward to see what his reaction is because I think he's gonna be pretty excited. It should be pretty funny because he's a pretty funny guy, so he gets pretty hyped about stuff. So we're about to go grab him. I'm gonna throw him the key and he's probably gonna know what time it is right when I do that. But it is his birthday, so he deserves it. He just turned 21. Oh. Yeah. It's finally the moment. And you dropped the key though. You're already off to a bad start.
How are you gonna expect me to catch it? I'm watching TikToks on my video. I already have one hand as it is.
Actually, you're right. Let me get that back because...
Bro, I need to pull this forward. My short ass.
Your short ass. So,
holy shit.
As you can see, Matthews has one hand. But he has a stick shift Jeep, so this ain't nothing for him. Show him how it works.
I don't know, to be honest. I've never even driven a fast car, let alone a stick shift fast car. You gotta crank the AC though, because I'm already sweating. I'm getting nervous.
Why? You're afraid you're gonna wreck it?
Hell no.
If you wreck it, then we're not friends anymore.
At least this thing's got seatbelts though.
You ready for this?
Honestly, I was not expecting this at all.
That was the idea.
This is a pretty like sick like.
It's for your birthday.
Hell yeah. Oh shit, I'm in the coupe, baby. Oh, what's up, young boy?
We're going to a little spot in Mexico. If you guys like, you ain't gonna find it because we're going to Mexico right now.
Road trip.
And it's only about 20 minutes away though, so it's pretty close.
Damn.
But we're pulling up, and I guess we're gonna probably whip some shitties. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, dude. I haven't done a donut since I bought this car, and it's been a long time. It's been like 6 months, and I've never done a donut in it.
Bro, this steering wheel feels like sex.
It's like nice, yeah.
It's so nice.
Thick.
Oh my god. This is nice.
Is it like, it's like Nazi, you know what I mean?
Yeah, dude. It's crazy.
Last night, I had 3 girls in this seat right here.
Really? Dude,
like going hard. In this car.
I seen the video.
I'm gonna attach the clip right here. What in the world is going on right now? 3 girls in the vet. How is this possible?
Because we all want to go for a ride. 3 of us are fitting in a 2-seater car. Well, I guess 4 of us. 4 of us. Let's go. Holy shit!
So, as you've seen, this is pretty much a 4-seater.
Basically. Only in Mexico.
And they all had seatbelts on, don't worry. forgot there was palm trees in Mexico. Easy, 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 easy. Don't hit it around the corner. You gotta roll in on the straightaway so you can gas it. Like this.
Second?
Yeah, second.
Hey, it's just like my Jeep.
Just like the Jeep, a little bit more power.
Oh my god.
And we made it. We're in Mexico. That quick.
And the Z06.
Drift this loop. I'm just kidding. I would
not.
We'd end up in the ditch.
I know. I'd fucking bottom this bitch out. Where should I go?
Oh, well, this is like the spot.
Where
You can go this way. I don't really know. This is the spot that people come and drift and shit. So what do you think?
Dude, this is crazy.
Be easy around these guys. Don't want to scare the old man.
Oh, this is straight up the fastest I've ever been.
Truck. First donut in this car. Dude,
That bitch kicks.
oh my god.
You're not even, dude, that shit's easy as
We gotta slide.
Get the f out of here.
Go, go, go.
Slide, slide, slide. Oh god. Oh my god, this dude's really feeling himself. Drift King.
DK, call me DK now. Boom. Let her cool down. I'm about to get a drink too.
Hop out.
Hop out. Say less.
Part 2.
I was worried that like I'd have no
You were
tires.
smoking them, so.
I wasn't like really spinning them fast. I mean, I was spinning them, but like I could have been in third doing that. When you're in like third and your wheels are spinning like 200 miles an hour, that's when like you have no more tires. Use the business card.
Diesel.
Business activities. Oh, dude, every time I pop this, ready, watch. It hits my ass every time. Ready, watch. Every time I fill it up, I always forget. It hits me at the bottom.
Nice
Like,
That's
put 87 in it.
You gotta do the TikTok.
Imagine how triggered everyone
Before I
would get.
put it in and I smack that ass. What's
Imagine
it?
how triggered everyone would get if I put 87 in it.
Honestly,
You already know. Got the samples.
you're about to get in trouble out
I
here.
know, we get kicked out. I only sample two. Sometimes I'll fill them up like. What are you thinking?
Peanut butter? Wait, Reese's? Nah, I'm not.
Shake. Shake less. Fire.
I was gonna say, I'm gonna buy a lottery ticket. I kind of want to.
Imagine you do it on camera and you win.
Yeah, I know. I would.
That'd be like the craziest thing ever. On film, winning. Like buying it and everything. I wonder if that's ever happened.
We should just keep doing it until it happens. Just blow all the
We'll
money.
go broke.
I
A whole
feel-
channel on just that.
A lottery ticket a day,
Oh shit.
not on the
that.
merch.
Get that.
Yeah.
Yeah, lick it
Lick it.
Alright, bro. Hope you had fun.
Yeah, it was nice.
Suck it easy.
Hellcat next, bitch.
Hellcat next. Hey, get it running and then I'll let you.
I'll work on it for you.
Yeah, I want you to fix it for me.
Let me take it apart and then put it back together, I'm guessing. It'll come out just like the Jeep.
Yeah,
Mint.
mint.
Alright, see you, dude. Thank you
Peace.
for much driving.
So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I want you all to drop a like, drop a comment, and give me some freaking wrap ideas. I want to wrap this car in the future, so give me some ideas, and that's that. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.